Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the text-to-speech bot on Discord. For instance, you're unable to speak because your voice hurts. That's what I did because a few days ago, my throat really hurt. So I used this bot and it was very helpful. So make sure you've invited the bot into your server. It's called this TTS bot. It is a verified app. So you're just going to join a channel. I'm just going to join a random channel here. Select open chat and you're going to press /TTS and select join. Actually, you're going to press join, but on this one, and press enter. As you can see, it's here. I'm just going to change the language because it was in Indonesian, but to change the language, you're just going to press / and then set voice. Select the voice option here and then type in the language you want it to be in. For instance, English, press enter. Then when you're set, you can just type in anything you want, like hello and welcome back to this channel.
Nina said, "Hello and welcome back to this channel."
And that is it. Super simple. You can use this bot if your voice hurts or you just don't want to talk for some reasons that day. And yeah, it really helps a lot, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I just said that already. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Nina said, "Bye."